talk about gardening New Year's resolutions. We all start into a new year with great resolutions, and I don't know about you, but come like a week later, mine are all gone. So it's at a point I kind of give up on even creating them sometimes, but yet it's still good to think about some different things that we need to do. So, do we ever think about doing gardening New Year's resolutions? And so I've come up with just a couple, just to have you guys kind of think about some of the different things that you might want to think about doing. One thing, every 3 years, we always recommend that you do a soil test. So if you haven't done a soil test in a while, the best thing for you to do is to go ahead and do that. Doesn't make any difference what time of the year it is. If the ground is frozen, you definitely don't want to try to go out and dig some soil, but definitely do a soil test. We need about 2 cups, take it from a couple of different areas, put it all together, mix it up, and then take 2 cups from that and bring it into your local county extension office. Within a 2-week time frame, you should get those soil test results. A lot of folks just put on fertilizers and lime on an ongoing basis, and a lot of times that can do more detriment to our garden. And we think we need more fertilizer because our plants aren't growing well, when in actuality, they've been over fertilized. And so just doing a soil test is a good common practice for everyone to do on at least an every 3-year basis. Another thing that you might want to do is we have, and I know Donna and Katie and Sarah Denkler, they created this garden journal and calendar. It is an excellent publication. It's got lots of references in it, lots of space for you to be able to take notes on an ongoing basis throughout the entire year from January through December. You can get that at your county extension office. If not, you can order it through our extension website, but we'll be happy to have this available for you. On the right side, you can kind of see the table of contents. It goes all the way down to page 72. I couldn't bring in the full table of contents, but at least it gives you an idea of some of the things that are in this garden journal and calendar that can help you to become an even better gardener than what you already are. And then the third one that I kind of want to bring to your attention is we have this fabulous resource where you can fill out that gardening calendar, create a monthly calendar with these different resources that are available. And so we have what is called the Missouri Environment and Garden, the MEG, which is produced and online. You can subscribe to it. And what happens then is that you'll get an email in your inbox from the Environment and Garden, MEG. And it will just be a little article about what's going and what's happening. So Donna has put together the January gardening tips. It's about a 1-minute read. You can open that up. You can populate some of the things that you're doing in your garden and in your lawn onto your calendar for the month of January. So as you go through your calendar, go through your journal, you know the different things that you're supposed to be doing in the garden. It's also a great place in that journal for you to write down, oh, this month is when I started seeing this insect, and so got out of hand. Maybe I need to next year move that up a couple of weeks to try to do some prevention for that particular insect or that disease, perhaps. But these are just some really good things that you might be interested in doing just to get yourself started to be a better gardener than what you already are.